Okay, my friends, now we have worked a lot on our welcome page, welcome category, and in part 12 of how to make an epic Discord server, we are going to be focusing on the community category, our third category, which is very important. So I am going to click create category. Here I'm going to write community and create this category. Now community category is created, my friends, and I'm going to move it up a bit. I am going to delete this category altogether, and under community category I am going to make one category which is the same that I deleted, general chat, same category, and also I'm going to add another channel which is memes and create this channel. Now once I have created the memes channel, my friends, what I'm going to do now is a simple procedure. I am going to be invite another bot, and this time the Dank Memer Bot, famous bot, so for memes and stuff, entertainment, because let's be honest, without some entertaining memes you cannot have some good entertainment. So YouTube channel's name server, I have chosen this, click continue, give you authorization, and Dank meme will soon be added, my friends. Edit, and now it has to offer your services, so you can check out the commands, everything, memes and stuff like that. You can also remove these NSFW images as well. These are all options that you can remove, my friends, as this bot has been set up, your memes bot, and you have to do a lots of settings, my friends, to get the most out of it. But I am going to the configuration and set up a channel to automatically post memes to every 5 minutes. So I am going to click this auto meme because I need this auto meme, to be honest. And on webhook permission, send messages, manage webhook. Okay, send messages, manage webhook. So guys, they want me to do some webhook, and you can do this yourself, to be honest with you, because it will take a lot of time for me to set it up. So you can use this yourself, my friends. And also in this Discord channel, you can this dark memer have been added, this bot, and you can just let everybody in this channel, Discord channel, because they can add their own memes as well. It's not just the bots that will do the provide the entertainment, is the human beings, the members will also be interacting with this channel. This is very important, my friends. So part 12 is complete, my friends, and stay tuned for part 13 coming right up.